Solve the equation x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Give your answers to one decimal place. Now the fact that it says to one decimal place means that we're going to be using the quadratic formula. We're not going to be able to factorise. So the quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So I need to figure out what my A, my B and my C is. My A in this case is an imaginary 1. So A is 1. My B is the number before the x, so that's 5. And my C is the number that's on its own, so that's 1. Now I just need to substitute it in. So I need to do minus b, so that's minus 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that's 5 squared, take away 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 1. So that gives me, I'm going to keep the minus 5, plus or minus the square root of 5 squared is 25. 4 times 1 is 4, so I need to take away 4, and then 2 times 1 is 2. So it's minus 5 plus or minus the square root of 21 all over 2. I can use my calculator to do this. So I'm going to use the fraction button on my calculator, and on the top row I'm going to put minus 5 plus the square root of 21 all over 2. And that gives me x is equal to minus 0.2. And if I use the arrow buttons on my calculator and go back to the plus and change it to a minus, I also get x is equal to minus 4.8.